Hi everybody, welcome back to RPL Youth Service YouTube channel or IGTV. We're coming back again with another fun project. This one we're going to make a DIY snow globe. So this is not a real snow globe that you see in the store, but it should be fun to make it and it's really simple to do. All supplies that you need is, you need a jar, like so. This one is 8 ounces of jar, but if you don't, if you want to make it bigger, you can have this mason jar. This one is 16 ounces. So it depends on your preference, whichever you like. And then you need a fake tree like so. It's like a miniature. So whatever color you like. I have green over here, and then I have a miniature over here. We have Santa Claus, we have penguin, we have bear. So whatever miniature you like. I found this at Amazon, but Michael should have one. Okay? And then a snowflake flurry like so. This is not a real snowflake. So this is just a fake snowflake, and you can get it at Michael's. It's really easy to find. If you don't like sparkle like this one, you can find the original one. So it really depends. It's up to you. Okay. And of course you need glue. Elmer's glue like so will work. But then the glue stick won't work at all. So you need Elmer's glue like so. And then glue gun is the best, but sometimes glue gun need your parent supervision because it can get really hot. Okay. Okay, so first thing first is I'm going to use this 8 ounces jar, and then you open the lid up like this. So you use the lid first. Don't worry about the jar later. We are going to use the lid, and then you're going to put probably a drop or two glue in here, like so. Okay? And then you're going to put a tree over like that. And then whatever miniature you like. In this one, I think I'm going to choose the bear one because it's kind of cute, don't you think? So you put it like so. So it's supposed to look something like this. Okay? So I have the snowman and then the tree together like so, and then this one is kind of bigger tree like so. Okay, if you use Elmer's glue, you probably want to leave it out probably half an hour until it gets dry. Don't touch it because it can move. But then if you use Elmer's glue, it's probably good to go for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it depending. Okay? And after that, you take your snow, fake snow, and then you put it, so to avoid all the messes, and then you put some of the snow into the jar right away so you can avoid the mess. Okay, it looks just really pretty. A little bit goes a long way, so you don't need much, like about ½ inch is good enough. So put it like so, and then this is the fun part. So once your miniatures are done, you're going to screw the lid back on to the jar. So you put it like so. Okay, so it should be like this. Okay, so when you tip it over, you put upside down. So you create a snow globe. Isn't it cute, Melissa? What do you think?
It's really cute.
So see, if you want to, oh, this is boring. I mean, this is all in the bottom. So you can shake it like that and make it like a snow globe, like that. So this is kind of a fun project. It's really easy to do. You can do it with your family or your friends. It's really up to you. This Go Pack will be available on the week of 14 December. So I hope you're having fun making it at home. You can stop by at the library too if you want a Go Pack like so. Okay? Until next project, I hope you're watching our Make It Monday and also our story time. I'll see you soon.